Whether you're looking to gain a better understanding of how stress is affecting you, how to find new and better ways to reduce and master stress, or if you want to help your employees with their stress, the Stress Mastery Questionnaire, or SMQ, is the gold standard for helping people learn how to reduce and master stress. Over the past 30 years and 600,000 administrations of the SMQ, we've learned that in order to master stress, you first need to understand how stress may be affecting you physically, emotionally, and behaviorally right now. Based on that knowledge, you can apply evidence-based tools and techniques to create a life with less stress. The SMQ was developed by Dr. James Peterson, a psychologist and internationally recognized stress expert. It has been thoroughly researched through a grant from the National Institute of Safety and Health and has been shown to be effective for personal self-development or for use in corporate stress management coaching and training programs. In addition, the SMQ is the first stress assessment tool certified by the American Institute of Stress. It's quick and easy to take and will help you discover how stress is affecting you, the cause of your stress, and how you can reduce and master stress using simple, proven, effective techniques. Research has shown that stress is a major problem today, not only in the U.S., but globally. According to the American Psychological Association, 75% of all visits to physicians' offices are for stress-related problems. The real problem is that most people live and work under chronic and prolonged stress. Unfortunately, many people simply get used to or ignore their high stress levels. In effect, chronic stress becomes the new normal. Solving the stress problem requires becoming more aware, not just of how and when stress is affecting you, but by providing answers and solutions to solve the problem of excessive and chronic stress that may be impacting your health, productivity, and quality of life. The Stress Mastery Questionnaire is a powerful stress awareness tool that provides a window into what to change in order to live a life of greater inner peace and less emotional stress. It's a source of clear information about your stress, but also a compass to help you chart a course to manage and master stress. After taking the SMQ, you will have a better understanding of how stress is affecting you right now, a clear awareness of the source of your stress, as well as access to proven effective tools and techniques to master your stress for greater peace of mind and less stress.